Hey there! Welcome to EasyPy, where Python becomes easy, fast, and fun. In this short video, we're going to build a simple tip calculator using Python. Let's begin. First, we ask the user to enter the total bill amount. This line takes the input from the user and converts it into a number, even if they type decimals like 45.50. Next, we ask for the tip percentage they want to leave. Again, we convert the user's input into a float number, like 10 or 15. Now let's calculate the actual tip amount. We multiply the bill by the percentage. For example, $100 and 15% gives us a $15 tip. After that, we calculate the total amount the user needs to pay. We simply add the tip to the original bill. Finally, we display both the tip amount and the total bill. We use .2f to format the numbers with two decimal places, like 4.25 or 28.90, and here's how it looks in action. If the user enters $50 as the bill and 10% tip, they will see that's it. You just built a simple and useful Python project in under a few minutes. Thanks for watching and learning with EasyPy. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Python shorts. See you in the next one.